Alrighty, today we are doing a cash stuffing video. I wanted to do a cash stuffing video because I am saving up for my PC build, as you guys saw when I was doing the other video. And today I just did part 2 as well, but to save up for the the processor and the motherboard, I thought I would do cash stuffing. Mostly because I saw other people saying that that's the most effective way to save up, especially for something that's big as a PC build. So today, that's what I'm gonna be showing you. I am drinking some coffee today with my video today. To start off, right? Now don't go into the second place now. All right, that tastes good. Okay. And I did get this for my birthday because I basically asked for it. Look at it. It's Chanel. Don't mind the little thing right there. It's Chanel. They wrote me nice stuff for my birthday. I thought this was beautiful, what my mom wrote for me. I love it. Alright. So that is the money here. Since we are doing cash stuffing, I'm gonna, since this is right here, I'm gonna put it's I got this off Amazon. I think it's 12 pieces. Yeah, 12 pieces. Yeah. Wow, this binder won't go in. The hell? The hell is going on? Maybe it gotta go this way? Oh, I gotta take it out or something? The hell? Oh, I have to take the holes out. The hell? I was so confused. Perfect. Okay. Alright. And since the Intel I want is like, let me see, how much is the Intel? I think it's like 3, because this is Intel i7, 1300K. That's the processor that I want. I think it's like $300, right? So if that's 300, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, yeah, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. That's 200. 2, 4, 6. So yeah, 260 is what I'm saving today. Dang, buddy. $260 is what I'm saving today. And so, you know what? I'm going to put that here. Don't mind my handwriting. I am mostly a computer girl, typing and everything. Shoot, even in high school, there wasn't really a lot of writing, so don't mind my handwriting. Just decorate it a little bit. Okay, so I am not a perfect, oh, this is the end of the road. For my tape anyway. There we go. Kind of wanted to make a like a little border there. And then, oh, end of that. And I did just get a little stuffed, what is it? Grogu for my birthday as well too. So this will be on brand. Crap, where is, there we go. Perfect. Okay. So you can see here. Ooh, I got multiple. Ooh, this one's like kind of like sparkly. If you can see that. Sparkly. Sparkly. I'm gonna use these first. This is awesome. All right. Yeah, I don't have a sticker tool yet, which I am hoping to get later. I can just, I guess, no, that's just too big. Just do like that right here. Oh, this mini one right here would be good for it. I'm all about that Grogu. And then, stormtroopers. Let's see if we can find another small one. I don't really have another small one. We got the Mudhorn. Yeah, I think that'll be, or unless I do two of them. You think two would go good right there? Or not. No, I don't think 2 would look good there. I think that's perfect. Like that. Alright. Or I could do a symbol. Yeah, let's do a symbol. Alright. There you go. And kind of want to put something else in here. Like that. I did get these. I think you guys saw this in another video. Not really sure which would go great. I do kind of like the dark feel. This is really nice. I like these. These are cute. I like this. Ooh, that's nice. With the spaceship right here. I like that one. That one right there. And I kind of like the moon here. That's kind of nice. Alright, let's see. How am I going to get this out if I don't have a cutting tool? I have no idea. Let's see. What is... Oh, I see. Oh! What? There you go. And then the half moon, perfect. And if people could give me some tips on, like, you know, basically journaling, whatever, with the stickers, I would love it. My sticker things look like it really don't go together, where other people's sticker stuff looks like it does go together. So you know what I mean. At least we saved today. Alright, thank you for tuning in to my little mini video of cash stuffing for my PC build. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video.